particular order, mediators, ODPP, judiciary staff, the beautiful girls from Sironga, my colleague and brother, Justice Mugo, the entire staff from the county governor's office and the county commissioner, prisons department, probations department, all protocols observed. It is my pleasure, my honor, and my privilege to welcome you to our open day, which also doubled as our tree planting day. I stand before you today as we come together to sensitize the community members on the vital role that the judiciary plays in our society and the critical procedures undertaken before our court, Nyamira law courts. You have known today that we are big on preservation of the environment through planting of trees and other activities which Judge Mugo has talked about, such as cleaning the environment. Our main theme of today is enhancing access to justice through public awareness and education. This day is an embodiment of our commitment to transparency, accountability, and service to the people of Kenya. This initiative stems from the vision of our Chief Justice, Lady Justice Martha Koome, that is social transformation through access to justice, or also known as TAJ. The vision seeks to promote accessible and efficient justice mechanisms to all Kenyans. It seeks to enhance, deepen partnerships geared towards growing public trust and confidence in the judicial system, amongst other goals. In this regard, courts are required to sensitize the general public of the services that they offer through this occasion, such as an open day. The judiciary of Kenya has always stood as a cornerstone of justice, fairness, and the rule of law. Nyamira law courts, as you may be aware, comprises a high court, an environment and land court, former distress courts. We also have the mediation team with us, who are also assisting us in the resolution of our disputes. Our courts are not just buildings. They are the guardians of our democracy, ensuring that every citizen, regardless of their status, has access to justice. Today, we open our doors to the public, to demystify our processes, to show you our commitment, and to engage with you directly. Our constitution enshrines the principles of justice, and it is our duty to ensure that these principles are not just theoretical, but are felt and experienced by every Kenyan. This open day is about building trust, enhancing understanding, fostering a sense of partnership between the judiciary and the public. As an institution, the judiciary has made significant strides in the recent years to improve its efficiency and effectiveness. We have embraced technology, as you may have already known, through e-filing system, virtual court sessions, and tracking of cases through the CTS. Just recently, the judiciary launched the e-filing system. It enables users to submit their e-documents to courts, perform self-assessments, and make payments. So you no longer really have to come physically in court. You can do this from the comfort of your home or your offices. The e-filing system has streamlined and eased the process of filing pleadings, thereby improving the overall experience for litigants. The introduction of mobile courts and the adoption of alternative dispute resolution mechanism has been pivotal in enhancing justice. These reforms are aimed at reducing case backlog, expediting delivery of justice, and making our services more accessible. As one of our mediators indicated, that ADR should be a topic to be studied in our institutions, we want to inform you that alternative justice system, which includes ADR, mediation, conciliation, diversion, is a process that we are really advocating for as a judiciary. The Chief Justice is very strong on alternative justice system, and we are looking forward to have just one day when we will discuss this at length, the issue of alternative justice system. We want to engage with the community leaders, the administrators, the chiefs, village elders, and all people of the community so that we can see how we can resolve most of our disputes without necessarily resorting to court. So as one speaker said earlier, it is no longer tukutane kotini. This time around we want to shake hands, have a conciliatory method of resolving our disputes, and only resort to court in those difficult matters where you feel that the law has to be demystified or the Constitution has to be interpreted. We recognize that in any new system, there is bound to be challenges. We are experiencing some challenges with our e-filing system. Justice Mugo has talked about it. We have internet challenges, internet downtime, limited resources. This occasions delays in certain instances, but we are continuously working on addressing these issues, and we hope that in the near future, all our systems will be seamless. On this open day, we reiterate our unwavering commitments to tackling these challenges as they come. We are determined to remain independent, transparent, accountable, and responsible to the needs of our people. Today, we have various sessions, exhibitions that are planned to give you deeper insight into the workings of our courts, from the interactive discussions with the judges, with the magistrates, and demonstrations of our technology advancements. We aim to provide comprehensive view of how justice is administered in Nyamira law courts. I encourage you to engage with us, ask questions, and provide us with your feedback. Your input is invaluable as we strive to improve our services. We are here to serve you, and your voice is crucial in shaping the justice system that truly reflects the values and aspirations of our society. In closing, I wish to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the judiciary staff, especially the staff who have been in charge of organizing this occasion. It has been awesome. I also wish to extend my gratitude to our partners, our stakeholders, who have worked tirelessly to make this open day a success. Your dedication and hard work are the pillars upon which our justice system stands strong. Let us continue to work together, hand in hand, to ensure that justice in our court is not just a promise, but a reality for all. Thank you for being here today and for your ongoing support to the judiciary and Nyamira law courts. May justice be our shield and defender. Thank you so much for listening to me. And at this point, it is my singular pleasure to welcome our chief guest, who is standing in for His Excellency the Governor, the County Attorney. Please welcome, sir.